8 benefits and uses of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is widely used in baking. This is because it has living properties, meaning it causes dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. Aside from cooking, baking soda has a variety of additional household uses and health benefits. Number 1. Treat heartburn. Heartburn is also known as acid reflux. It's a painful burning sensation that arises in the upper region of your stomach and can spread into your throat. It's caused by acid refluxing out of stomach and up your esophagus, the tube that connects your stomach to your mouth. A few common causes of reflux are overeating, stress, and eating greasy or spicy food. Baking soda can help treat heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the mixture slowly. There are downsides to this treatment that you should be aware of. There is some debate as to whether anyone with heartburn symptoms actually has high stomach acid. Baking soda is very high in sodium of 229 mg per half teaspoon. Continued use may lead to metabolic alkalosis and heart problems. Number 2. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to a good oral hygiene routine. It reaches corners of your mouth and crevices of your teeth, gums, tongue, which may be missed during brushing. Many people use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. Some studies have shown it can help freshen your breath and even provide antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. However, one study found that a baking soda mouthwash did not significantly lower oral bacterial levels, although it did result in an increased salivary pH, which is important for inhibiting bacterial growth. The recipe for baking soda mouthwash is simple: and half teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water and then switch as usual. Number 3. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that can form inside your mouth. Unlike cold sores, canker sores don't form on the lips and are not contagious, though more evidence is needed. Some research has found that baking soda mouthwash is great for soothing pain caused by canker sores. You can make baking soda mouthwash using the recipe in the previous chapter. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once a day until the canker sore heals. Number 4. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is a popular home remedy for whitening teeth. Many studies have found that toothpaste containing baking soda is better for whitening teeth and removing plaque than toothpaste without baking soda. This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that let it break the bond of the molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Number 5. Deodorant. Surprisingly, human sweat is odorless. Sweat only gains an odor after it's broken down by bacteria in your armpits. These bacteria convert your sweat into acidic waste products that give sweat its odor. Baking soda may eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odor less acidic. Try patting baking soda onto your armpits and you may notice a difference. Number 6. May improve exercise performance. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a popular supplement among athletes. Some studies show that baking soda can help you perform at your peak of longer, especially during anaerobic exercises or high-intensity training and sprinting. During high-intensity exercise, your muscle cells start producing lactic acid, which is responsible for the burning feeling you get during exercise. Lactic acid also lowers the pH inside your cells, which may cause your muscles to tire. Baking soda has a high pH, which may help delay fatigue, allow you to exercise at your peak longer. For example, one study found that people who took baking soda exercised for an average of 4.5 minutes longer than people who didn't take baking soda. One study recommends taking 300 mg of baking soda per 3.8 ounces, 1 liter of water and 1 to 2 hours before exercising. Another study added that taking it 3 hours before exercises results in less gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 7. Relieve itchy skin and sunburns. A baking soda bath is often recommended to soothe itchy skin. These baths are commonly used to remedy for itching from bug bites and bee stings. Additionally, baking soda may help soothe itching from sunburn. Some people claim it can be more effective when combined with other ingredients like cornstarch scratch and oatmeal. To make a baking soda bath and 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a lukewarm bath, make sure the affected area is soaked thoroughly. For more specific areas, you can create a paste that baking soda and a bit of water. Apply a thick layer of paste to the affected area. Number 8. Slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. People with chronic kidney disease slowly lose function of their body. The kidneys are incredibly important because they help remove excess waste and water from the blood. At the same time, they help balance important minerals like potassium, sodium and calcium. A study including 134 adults with CKD found that those taking sodium bicarbonate baking soda supplements were 36% less likely to experience rapid disease progression than people who did not take the supplements. Be sure to talk to your doctor before ingesting baking soda.